Often use many words to make a simple thing. It takes thought and time and rhyme to make a poem sing. With music and words I've been playing. For you I have written a song, to be sure that you know what I'm saying. I'll translate as I go along. Fly to the moon, let me sing among the stars. Let me sing the spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. Fly to the moon, let me sing among the stars. Let me sing the spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. And now the words of my hand, and now the words, baby, kiss me. Feel my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all alone for all the worship and its all. And now the words, please be true. And now the words, I love you. Fly to the moon, let me see among the stars.